After robbing us for decades, giving us repeated shows, poor service, poor everything, DSTV and MultiChoice are finally giving up. They are selling their company to Canal, a French company. I don't know why Canal bought MultiChoice, because who watches real TV anymore? I mean, the new generation, are we actually watching TV? Are we going out buying ordinary TVs? Because at this point, we are buying smart TVs, or we are on the internet, Netflix and all of that. So old-fashioned TV, man, I don't know, but maybe Canal has a plan. As I said, maybe Canal has a plan. News 24 reports that the combined group will serve more than 40 million subscribers across close to 70 countries in Africa, Europe, and Asia, supported by a workforce of approximately 17,000 employees. Well, I doubt these 17,000 employees will have their jobs if Canal is taking over. You know how restructuring works. Anyways, let's continue reading. The group had to create a new local licensing entity to comply with South Africa's telecommunications licensing laws, including restrictions on foreign ownership and broad-based black economic empowerment requirements. Only Elon Musk doesn't want to adhere to BE standards, but anyways, that's him and his ex-team. So they're saying that it also made almost 30 billion in commitments for local content procurement and promotion, and procurement from historically disadvantaged persons and small, medium, and micro enterprises. I guess that's not bad. Maybe now we'll start getting quality programming, because programming, right? We'll start getting quality TV, so that, because at this point, man, I gave up on TV. Like, I gave up a long time ago. There was a point where I almost bought a DSTV, but the service was so poor, I ended up not buying it. So yeah, man, Canal, I hope the future is bright for them and they'll actually, produce local content, because that's the problem I had with DSTV. They didn't even care about local stories, man, while there's so much content in Africa, South Africa at large. But anyways, we'll see what happens from here on.